Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Samantha, and I'm welcoming you back to my channel. So if you're new here, please like, share, subscribe. Welcome to the family. So sir, I just want to do this short video on how to apply the Idol lightning lotion. It's a toning lotion basically because it's not going to make you white, but it's just going to tone your skin. So for the persons who want to tone their skin and they don't want to bleach out their face because they want to go to work and all that stuff, you can use the Idol. So what I'm gonna do right now is just to apply to my face. I have not used this product in a long while, and let me tell you something. I started off with this product, the Idol product. I started off with this product, and I had around two Naproxone gel at first, yeah. And let me tell you, say it made my white out. So I I got a couple comments asking, does Idol bleach you or Idol tone you? Yes, it does. It tone the skin. So as I told you, I haven't put anything on my face in a long while, other from my little turmeric soap, um, various different type of turmeric soap because I'm trying it out, right? So turmeric is very good for your skin. All right, so as I told you, how to apply Idol lightning lotion on your face. Um, People probably use this on their bodies. It depends. It's up to you. It has avocado oil, vitamin oil, and it helps to protect from blemishes and give you a more radiant looking skin. So I put it on my face because I prefer to put it on my face. It is up to you guys what you want to do. If you want to put it on your body, if you want to use it for your knuckles, you can add other things to it like milk protein. You can add papaya gel. You can add fair and white. It depending on what you want, what you think agree with your skin. Because some people have sensitive skin and they don't want to use certain things on their skin, so they're always asking for alternatives. If you have Neprozone, if you have Omnit gel, if you have fair and white, it is up to you what you want to mix with your cream. You can also mix oils with your cream and make it like have more moisture. For persons who have oily skin like me, I do not use a lot of oils. Yes, I do use oils to kind of add to my cream, but I do not use a lot of oil. CT plus oil is very good. Cartone oil is very good. But as I'm here, I'm talking about the Idol lotion. It's very good. So if you want to purchase this lotion, you can look down below. You see my Amazon associate link. You can click it and it go straight to the Amazon store and you can buy. Bleaching is a risk, and if you want to take that risk, it's up to you. No one forces you to do anything with your skin. You choose. If you are looking for a skin bleaching topic, you would not probably wouldn't book up on my page. But I'm really grateful that you have stopped here, and I still have natural remedies you can try out other from skin bleaching because not everything is for that particular topic because it's best to go the natural way all the time because I stopped skin lightening for like about a year and something, and I said okay, I'm going to just try the Idol back just to have a little tone, but I don't think I would go back to being so white out. Right now I feel comfortable in my own skin. Love you. But anyway, we still apply. Guys, I can't believe I even do my own lashes. Like, oh my god. But let's say I'm just gonna get up and do my lashes by myself. I'm not talking about the just put it on like that. I'm talking about cutting it up and place it underneath and all that. Isn't that cool? Sometimes you have to learn to do things yourself, you know. I can't depend on. Sometimes you don't have the money to go out. Not saying don't have the money, but sometimes you just want to learn some new things and it makes sense. It will help you out just like your ear. Sometimes you can just get up on the ear by yourself, buy 2 pack of bread or 4 pack of bread and do your hair yourself. If you want to do your nails, you do your nails yourself. Or if you ever can't do your nails, buy 2 press-ons and put on and make them feel nice. Supposed to have someone for go at the time for go have a run, we call it, them place a nail salon for the nails. But they can just buy one press-on and that's it. Right? I'll go about your business after if you want to take out a person and just go do your nails officially. Yeah, because you know so the nails take them off it make them money and the hairdresser them off make them money. So isn't me learn how to do something and feel confident, girl. Anyway guys, bye, love you know, respect you know. Have a good day and remember to like up the channel and as you see how I apply the IDOLE Lightning Lotion. Big up yourself, and you are the best. Remember, believe in yourself all the time. Have confidence in yourself all the time.